Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, a quick disclaimer, we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is, let's say, by using your contact list, so you can block a number which is currently saved. And the second one is using the, let's say, the settings, and you can do it manually. I will explain everything. So let's start with the contact list. So let's open it. Let's go to the contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. As you can see, your device will really ask you if you want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got the information that it is blocked. And of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers. But let's leave it like this. So this is the first way of blocking the number which is currently saved, and now let me show you the second way. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, we've been just transferred to the list of all currently blocked numbers, which is called Blacklist. And this is the number we just blocked, so everything went fine. So here, after tapping on add a number, we can, as you can see, add the number manually, so we do not have to have it saved. But if in this situation, in this step, you will decide that you want to get back to the contacts and block the number from contact list, no worries, you don't have to go back to the, let's say, to the contacts and so on. Just tap on this icon and you will be transferred to your contacts. So that's quite easy. And as I said, here we can enter the number and tap on block. And as you can see, it has been blocked. It appears right here, which again, you will it means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from the blocked numbers. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, and it simply means that after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it can be quite useful, I would say. You can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.